This video shows how to lock recipe editing, manual cooking, or the settings screen on the Converge Oven with Deluxe control. Touch the menu icon. The menu screen displays. Touch the settings icon. The general settings screen displays. Scroll to the bottom to find security locks. Touch the Lock Recipe Editing button to lock recipe editing. The Enter Passcode screen appears. You will be creating a new password, different from the oven's service password, to lock out the ability to edit recipes. Record your password in a secure location. Touch the check mark. The ability to edit recipes is now removed. This is how the oven functions when the recipe editing function is locked. To lock manual cooking or access to the settings screen, repeat the process with the other toggle buttons. This is how the oven functions when the manual cooking function is locked. Finally, when the settings menu is locked, it can still be accessed, but will be password protected. To unlock, go back to the settings menu, scroll to the bottom, touch the desired toggle button, enter your password, and touch the check mark. This process is now complete. For more videos, please visit our website.